beautiful, amazing sunrise. I actually went out to have a little look for a while. Yeah, this one was at Dedham in Essex. Gorgeous sky above Constable Country to start the day, but you know how the saying goes, red sky in the morning, shepherd's warning, and today it was telling us that this cold front was on the way, introducing thicker cloud over the last few hours and some bits and pieces of rain. And not a lot of change this afternoon. We hold on to a lot of cloud. We're likely to see some rain at times, although for many of us it'll be a dry afternoon. Pretty miserable, but mild for the time of year, with highs of about 12 or 13 degrees Celsius. Southwesterly winds bringing in that mild air. Pretty blustery too. They could gust 30 to 35 miles an hour over the next few hours. So we start tonight with those cloudy skies, some bits and pieces of rain, but it's during the second half of the night that this more organised area of rain pushes in from the west, and some of this could be on the heavy side. So it's a wet start to the day tomorrow, but a mild night. Temperature's not really doing very much, only falling to lows of around 10 or 11 degrees Celsius, and it stays pretty blustery overnight too. So tomorrow, the front that brings us the overnight rain, this waving front, eventually waves goodbye, so we might get off to a pretty miserable start with further rain, but eventually that rain clears away and we do see drier and brighter skies feeding down from the northwest for tomorrow afternoon. So most of us should get to see some afternoon sunshine. Temperatures still above where they should be for the time of year, highs tomorrow of 11 or 12 degrees Celsius, with the winds eventually swinging round to a northwesterly direction. Now Wednesday, high pressure gives us a dry day, but during Wednesday night and into Thursday, look how the isobars really tighten. We've got some very windy weather on the way. In fact, the Met Office has issued a yellow warning for Wednesday night through Thursday, and we could still have those very blustery winds Friday and into the weekend. Quite widely, we're looking at gusts of around 40 to 50 miles an hour, but we could see 50 to 60 miles an hour in places. At the moment, that yellow warning is in place for Northamptonshire, Cambridgeshire, Norfolk and Suffolk, but it's something we're keeping a very close eye on. Wednesday, largely fine and dry. Thursday, windy but dry too for most of the day, with the rain spreading in later on. Friday should be dry, and then as we head towards Christmas, pretty mild but pretty miserable.